The parents are waging a long battle to retrieve their children, their daughters, who are of course well-aged women, adult women. From 2016 and onwards, originally in 2016 a habeas corpus was filed before the Madras High Court to produce them and secure them, but that was not fruitful, in the way that both of them said that we are voluntarily under the monkhood, therefore we are not under any duress. But permission to see the children regularly was given. But thereafter what happened, they filed the daughters filed a injunction suit before the Coimbatore Civil Court, saying that parents should not disturb them, and that was dismissed by the Coimbatore Civil Court. And the parents also approached the Revenue Divisional Officer under the Senior Citizens Maintenance Act, because there is a duty for the children to take care of the parents, and this is how this battle was going on. And in the meantime, what happened in June 2016, this year, June 15, the daughter made a call to the father saying that the younger daughter, there are two daughters are there inside, that her sister is on a fast unto death. She is not only drinking water, and she will desist from the fast only in case the father stops his protests and legal battles against the institution. And that was the phone. So that was the trigger, and he apprehended that his children were being misused under duress, and he approached the High Court by filing a habeas corpus, the present case. In the case, what happened, both the parents both the parents as well as the daughters were brought before the court. Once again, the daughters reiterated that they are on their own and it is their privacy, and their decision to stay there. So, but the parents also lamented their suffering, saying that even for the funeral of their grandmother, the daughters did not come, and so this mother and father were both lamenting and ventilating their grievances before their lordships in the Madras High Court. At that time, as an outburst, the mother said that not only my daughter, so many other daughters, other 9 people attained the monkhood on the same day. Therefore, and this was going on. At that time, that spurred the Madras High Court, their lordships, to, as a matter of thing, that give details of what is this, is it so that so many other cases are prevalent, to give those details, and along with that, and also to give details about the inquiry and submit a report about this particular case where the daughter made a phone call and asked him that to desist from his protest, or his sister is going to die. In the meantime, the state police, and it was adjourned to 4th, and in the meantime, the state police with a large force went inside the campus for 48 hours, and thereafter this honorable court and then the Isha Foundation, they filed the writ petition, special petition against that interim order, and a stay was granted. Interim order was passed restraining the police, and also the habeas corpus was transferred to this court. And in the meantime, we also entered our appearance, and we filed a detailed counter, and we were ready to present our case today. But the honorable court, their lordships, came to a conclusion that habeas corpus jurisdiction is completed, since the daughters are on their own volition, they are there, and since their lordships also interacted with them, therefore nothing survives in this. And this was the thing. And we made our submissions that even though the children choose to be on their own, they voluntarily, but still as a father and mother, they have their consent cannot be brushed aside. And we also made a submission that father is aged 70 and mother is aged 65. Throughout the country, so many news comes daily about abuse, rape and everything. In that circumstances, can a father and mother sleep peacefully every night? Therefore, please assure us that at least a woman constable from the local jurisdiction police in plain clothes is sent once in a week, and she reports about the status of the thing. Then the daughters need not come. And we also made a submission that this is in the larger public interest to ensure that inmates throughout the country, whether it is a ashram or educational institution, hostels, everywhere these inmates are there. So there is a need to monitor and ensure the safety of inmates everywhere. For that reason, let the larger issue be decided. Then their lordship said, no, we are closing the HCP. We said that no, when the Isha Foundation moved their petition before this honorable court, they said that religious freedom of privacy and religious freedom and religious freedom to be attain monkhood and pursue the path of monkhood is involved, and they enlarge the scope. We made a submission that only they have enlarged the scope. Your lordship may hear in the larger interest. They said that we are habeas corpus petition, we are closing it, and they have closed it.